Hi guys, welcome to another video, and I'm going to share one of the strategy where I have started to rank my blog with the deepseek keyword. As you know, deepseek is currently trending and everyone is talking around it. So as a blogger, what we have to do is find the content which are relevant to it and how to rank around it. I'll not waste much of your time and I'll quickly go to the screen, and I have typed in the keyword how to make money with deepseek. And interestingly, you will see some YouTube videos, as no one has written such content around blogging. And you will see my website Deepavali SEO tips. So I have not written the content around how to make money online with deepseek. It was around 190 AI prompts, but I have used one of the keywords make money online with deepseek, due to which my post is ranking. You can search in your local country and you can try to figure it out whether this keyword is making sense to it or not. This is the strategy I follow to rank my blog number one always on such keywords which are new and trending. And if you watch this article, if you read this article is as well an AI written article. It's ranking in Google. It is completely written through an AI with very less human intervention. And the interesting part is that I do write these blogs in a single click button, and I use another AI tool, which is a paid tool, but you can use it for free as well. And today I'll show you how I have written this article, how you can write it quickly, and how you can find those keywords. So step one is to find that keyword. Okay. Now, how to find that keyword is the best tool is your search console. This is my search console. Most of the people won't show, but this is the search console for the page which I have written newly. So you will see no traffic, and then suddenly traffic started, and you will see the keyword how to make money with deepseek. This is not my target keyword. My post is around prompts, but it is ranking for another keyword. This is an opportunity, and I know that deepseek people are searching, people are using deepseek now heavily, but I'm using a different technique on how I can rank my blog using deepseek keyword. So what I now know is this is my keyword. So I've just copied the keyword. You can already see in Google I have shown that it is ranking just below Reddit. Now it was not my target keyword for my article. So what I'll do is I'll go to a tool called SEOwriting.ai. This is the tool I use for most of my blogging content, and I'm using it heavily for my blogging websites. And today I'm going to share some of the interesting features around this tool and how I will use this keyword to write my blog in a single click. You can see, first of all, in the tool it has improved a lot. I'm using it for past 6 to 8 months and it has improved a lot, to be honest. And you will see there are humanizer tools which will humanize the content. There are blog post products, so if you're making a product website you can use it. How to guides, there are simple editors as well, and you have lot of credits, so you can check how the payments work, that I'll talk in the end. But first of all, what you can do is you can humanize the content, which is the must for Google ranking. You can add your brand voice. What does a brand voice mean is the tone, everything you use for your blog can be integrated with this tool so that it can write in the similar format, so that it is matching with the style. It won't share as an AI content. Now, first of all, if I talk about humanizer tool, if you click on humanizer tool, you can input the text here and then you will get an output humanized text over here. So this is for your existing blogs. If you have written anything existing, what I can do is I can copy this. Say I'll copy this para, I'll paste it here, and I'll say okay, humanize it. So it will try to humanize the content that I have written. Okay, my blog post is mostly AI written, so let's see what is the output. Okay, it has simplified the text, which is quite good, and you have the option to remove AI words as well. So there are a lot of AI words that now Google and all the AI tools use it, so they know which content is AI written, and then we are using AI itself to remove those keywords. So over here you can select extended list, basic list, or none. You can choose the language as well now, how to convert it. So if you are writing from any of the country, you can choose it. And then the grade. Now what the grade means is, like, normally if you read something you should be able to understand it. You're not reading a thesis or anything which is very highly qualified person has written. So it's recommended to have a 8th and ninth grade reading. Now this reading is one of the parameters now in Google search. So you need to make sure like you have written the content in 8th and ninth grade as a maximum. You can go with less grades rather than making it a more difficult grade to read in. So that is one of the criterias, because AI has a lot of thesis content. So it might give an output of say someone has written a paper around it. That is where this readability score is being added to Google. That is why you might see AI content is not ranking, but the reason is around is this one only. Now the second feature I want to talk around is the brand voice. So you can create your own brand voice, meaning whatever content you will put in, this will understand what your style and brand is. So I'll use my website, so I'll just copy it and I'll say new brand voice. I can put a web link, so I'll put my website back link, my website's link, and see it has written, it has given a name, it has written a voice tone, point of view, style. So first person, like I am writing it, so it understands okay how the writing style is. Sharing personal experience while maintaining educational authority, that is what my blog is for. So I share the knowledge. I have a style to share, so it is like semi formal, so it's not very formal. Technical knowledge is there but not in depth. So it has understood what my style is or what my brand voice is. So what I can do is I can save it. You can anyways edit it as well over here. If you think it is not correct, you can add elements to it as well. So it's up to you. So it's very good so that your writing skills are consistent. You have to just click on save brand voice. So now we have the brand voice. We have used the we have tested the humanizer tool, it is working fine or not. Now let's see how it writes for my first article. So what I need to go is I can go to the dashboard. You can do a bulk generation as well. You can put an Excel where you will put hundreds of article, it will generate in bulk, but I'm using the one click blog post mostly. So what I do is I find my keyword. I have told you how I find it. It's very easy. Use your Google search console, or you can use the tools like Ahref or SEMrush as well. Now I'll paste the keyword for which my other post is ranking, because I want to find out what all other keywords can be there from a deepseek. That's the reason I'm using this keyword. Generating a title, so it will give me a title that is generated. Now this is quite a good title. You can regenerate it as well as many times you want, and it will give you more titles. So I would go with how to make money online. You can write it as well, and you can then go to the language, whichever language you want to write. It has mostly all countries, major countries language, so you can use any of the language. You can select the article type, so it's like how to guide, product review, case study, comparison, opinion piece, tutorial. So mine is kind of a tutorial, like how to make money online, so I'll use a tutorial over here. You can choose the article size, so it can be extra small, so it will give you the word 600 to 1200, etc. So I normally choose a medium in this one. Tone, it has already understood from my brand voice, so it has already taken all those bits. Point of view, it's mainly first person, so I've tested my brand voice, it's coming as first person, so I've used it. Target country, you can choose it, otherwise I would say don't choose it. And it is saying AI content cleaning, I do extended AI word removal. Okay. And brand voice, I can use the brand voice, so which is where it has already now grade my fields. So I had the option to initially select it as well, but once I go with my brand voice, it will gray out my fields. So that is what brand voice is for. So it creates the style. Now details to include. Now this is what is something you might have to think on. What details would you like to include in your article? Okay, so it can be like, what are the, like you want to add your phone number, so you can see the examples, like this is my detail that has to be included. okay, service type, all those bits if you're writing around that. I'm writing mainly around blogging, so it's fine. I won't use anything around it. I can use the content strategy if I want to. Now, one of the good features around this is it generates the image as well automatically to the blog. So what you need to do is AI image, you have to select it, yes. Number of images, blog, this is not an article where I need to use multiple images, so I'll use only one. Image style, you can select it. In this case, I will use a photo only. You can use multiple times, you can change the photo as well in the blog. There is no issue in that. You can then go to the image size, so I will use the standard size, and then you have the option to generate the image prompt as well, and you can get your brand name added. So brand name, I will put it as deepavali.seo.tips.com. okay, this is my brand name. Now my YouTube video is this one which I am publishing, so I might be using this same video in this, or you can produce your own video, make money online, use it, or you can ask the tool itself to put a video around it. So I've said put a YouTube video. Let's see what it comes up with. Now the key factor SEO. So it has a feature of generating all those keyword list. I can get the keyword list generated. Now how to make money with DeepSeek money making tips. In my previous videos, if you have not seen, I have already shown you how to use your keywords. So if I have used how to make money, I'll just share you quickly. I'll put people also ask all the keywords over here, okay, and then there might be a list over here as well. So I use all those keywords. Okay, keywords are quite important in SEO, and if you have not checked my previous videos, you can find all the details on how I use those keywords to rank my blog. Okay, now this is where it says yes. So do I need a conclusion for this? No, it's just a tutorial, so it's not something I'm comparing. I'm product comparison. Table would be good, however not relevant, so I will put a no. H3 yes, list yes, italics no, quotes I'm not giving any quote side of a thing. Key takeaways I would say no, FAQs as well no. Okay, so I don't want all those bits. Internal linking, earlier I have to search and find all those blogs which are relevant to this article, but this tool helps me in creating internal links automatically. So you can add a website, you can link it, and you can create the internal links. So this tool helps us a lot in creating the internal links. Then external links, you can add the external links as well. I do normally select custom, sorry, I do normally select automatic, and I do put 1 to 2 no follow links. So external links do help in ranking. So don't think that if you don't put an external link, then your blog might not rank. It means that your content is well researched. So external links do help in ranking as well. Okay, now this is the best feature, I would say, connect to web. So it has a feature that it will check all the data real time, and then it will write an article. What I normally do suggest is, if your article is very new, go to the real time news. If your article is more of a generic topic, and you know in the search there are a lot of bigger players coming in, use both the options to generate the article, and then see which one is better, or mix it as well. Then you can put the source time saying last 24 hour, last week, all time, etc. It can also create your post for your social media as well, so you can generate those posts. So say I want to generate this post in my LinkedIn and in my Facebook post as well, and then link to the page. So WordPress link, it will put the link in the page as well. Now here you can put an outline of the article if you want to. So this will create an outline for your article, and that is it. So it's also quite good. You can put it in an Excel. In Excel you can put your articles topics, and then enable outline editor, and then you can write it like which is my H1, H2, H3 if you know everything. Since I am using one click feature, I want this tool to generate for me, so I'll just click on run. Okay, so it took around 2 to 3 minutes to generate it. So it takes time. So it's not a massive time, but yeah, 2 to 3 minutes it will take. And let's see how the article looks like. Okay, how to make money online with a comprehensive guides. Okay, now understanding DeepSeek and its money making potentials. Okay, what sets DeepSeek apart? So it has first given me around DeepSeek. Okay, what is it? What do you need to start earning with DeepSeek? You need to have a strong profile around it, etc. Setting up your DeepSeek profile for maximum visibility. Now, what basically this article is saying, that if you have to make money online with DeepSeek, you need to make sure you can show your presence within DeepSeek skills, which is very good, where people are not thinking around that ways. You can put in LinkedIn that you are a DeepSeek expert, and then what it means is like you have a knowledge of prompt engineering. And then how to make money online with DeepSeek is by creating and selling products using DeepSeek. So first you have to build that skill within DeepSeek, then you can use these strategies to make money online. And then these features can help you in generating client base. You can also create workflows, automation workflows, so you can change your profile. So it has given all the options, and it has used one of the YouTube video which it might have used in the search as well. So this is another keyword for me, like I'll also make a video around how to make money on DeepSeek. So this is how keywords comes in. And then advanced technique it has given, so it's quite good. I would say article is say 7 out of 10. I might change some things. I might ask DeepSeek to edit this data and make it more comprehensive, etc. However, the best thing is that in this tool itself I can humanize the text, so I don't have to go anywhere, and then I can publish it directly as well. And you can see the image. The image is very beautifully created, and if you don't like this image, you just have to click this button, it will regenerate another image. So image generation is quite good, and images that are created are much more powerful and relevant to the topic, I would say. You will see the prompt as well. Okay, so in case you want to check what the prompt is, you can see the prompt. And I've given my brand, so it has put a watermark of my brand as well, deepavaliseotips.com. So that is another good feature. So this tool is overall quite good in terms of SEO if you want to grow your blogs in SEO. But yeah, there is a cost around it. So let's jump on to see what the cost is, and I have a special offer for you. If you want to buy this tool, then I can give you a very good discount code. So what you need to go do is, if you like this tool, you have to go to SEOwriting.ai. You will see AI written tool for generating marketing copy. Okay, it is about number one click SEO optimized tool. You can do it for free, you don't have to pay anything. So there is a free option as well, so you can try it. What you need to do is click on get started. It's free. You have to just sign in. You will directly go into the tools which I have shared. There will be some limitations, so what you to avoid those limitations, these are the plans which you can use directly. So first plan is free. So in free you can generate 5 articles, okay, 25,000 words. You can humanize that as well. Images as well you can do it. Auto citation you can do it. Connect to web as well you can do it. Okay, so these features are already there in a free plan, so you can start with the free. If you are looking for better, more features and more articles, you can go with $14 per month, and you have a code called gagan25 GAGAN, which will give you 25% off. So you can go on the monthly, use my code in the monthly as well, you will get the 25% off. And in the billing you have already 25% off. You can try my coupon code as well to get more discount. And in this one you will see it has a brand voice, which is new. It has unlimited words, so there is no limits on the word. It can be integrated to WordPress, so your blog post will directly go into WordPress. And then the advanced plan, which I am using or I have shown you, is as has the external linking, internal linking feature as well. And then APIs will come soon. So it's up to you. If you want to start with this tool, I would recommend to go with the free plan, and I'm sure you will definitely like this tool, as it is helping me in ranking my blogs. And you can see in my previous videos I've already shown a lot of my blog rankings, lot of the keywords which I have ranked using this tool itself. I hope this new method of ranking keyword is useful to you all, and if you have watched the video till here, then do like the video and do share it with your friends, blogger friends, and do comment in case you have any queries. Thank you.